Hey yo, what's going on with those viewers of the tube? Tyler here of Chico Crypto, coming to you not live, not in the studio, but candid, out in nature, aka my backyard once again. How is everybody doing on this Saturday afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world? And I hope you're doing good, because Bitcoin isn't doing that good. Bitcoin is a crashing once again. So why is the Bitcoin price going down when it should be going up? Well, yeah, let's talk about that price. April 5th, 4 days ago, Bitcoin was sitting at about 47K. And as of today, right now, we're sitting at about 42.5K, a 9.6% decrease over the past 4 days. And it looks like some people might have had some insider news, because the price started dumping pretty seriously even before the Bitcoin 2022 conference. So what do I mean? Well, everyone was expecting a Apple partnership to come with CEO Jack Mallers and Strike, so Apple could start accepting payments through the Bitcoin Lightning Network in partnership with Strike. Well, that didn't happen. But there were some partnerships and integrations announced that people don't really get the gravity of. So I'm going to try and explain it to you. So Jack Mallers and Strike, they did announce partnerships with Shopify and NCR, the National Cash Register. So the one I think is more important is NCR, and I'm going to tell you why. Well, NCR is the leading point of sale provider for businesses and enterprises out there. This means you're going to be able to spend your Bitcoin through the Lightning Network with some of the largest businesses across the world. That includes Walmart, Starbucks, CVS, Walgreens, and hundreds of others that use NCR hardware and software. So that's bigger than people realize. Lightning Network, and not only Lightning Network, you're actually going to be able to spend fiat through the Lightning Network as well. So this is big, but on a level, there is a play I see for an altcoin out there. So if you didn't know, there is something called the Flexa network and AMP coin. And they kind of already have done what Strike has done. So AMP and Flexa is a spending protocol, and AMP is the cryptocurrency for it, where you're able to stake your AMP and spend, through the Flexa network with just, your staking rewards. Well, Flexa has integrations and partnerships already with NCR. They also have Shopify coming. They also have Clover. They have Income Payments. They have WooCommerce, Magneto, and a bunch of others. And they already have Bitcoin integration, not necessarily on the Lightning Network. So, you are going to have to wait with the Bitcoin. But they also have stablecoin integration with, the most popular stablecoins out there. Terra, USDC, DAI, and then other stablecoins, Gemini Dollar, plus 95 other crypto assets, including altcoins. So, in my opinion, if this Strike stuff is as big of a deal as, people are talking about, well, it's a pretty big deal that Flexa already has these partnerships and integrations across hundreds of businesses already, So now I want to talk about, this title, Bitcoin, it's a trap. I'm going all in. The reason I'm going all in on Bitcoin and crypto assets, including AMP, is because it's a trap I see coming. So we already had the longs just flushed out, you guys. They freaking went down. Long liquidations, probably getting upwards of 500 million over the past week, probably getting close to like 600 to 700 million. So the longs who got trigger happy are all flushed out. There's not too many longs left. Next week, we have a narrative coming. Tuesday, April 12th, the next CPI data, Consumer Price Index data, is coming out. And guess what? They're expecting it to be higher than last time. It's going to be above 8% for the first time. UBS, the investment bank, has put out a prediction, and they predict 8.5% to come out on Tuesday. So those bears are going to use the narrative over the next few days leading up to Tuesday to push down the price. And I do kind of see Bitcoin probably going down possibly to 39K just to get those bears set up. But UBS also predicted this will be the peak, and then we will start going down month after month until leading to the end of the year, and they predict inflation to be at only 3.4%. So if we get that good news, you guys, that inflation is, stopping going down, of course it's going to be good for assets all around. If Bitcoin price goes down with high inflation numbers, low inflation numbers, it's probably going to go up. So I have a feeling the bears, the shorters, are going to get trapped, and we're going to see a large liquidation short squeeze event probably towards the end of middle to next week. And yeah, so I mean, I don't recommend anybody leverage trade, but there will be a lot of people leveraging because the top YouTubers and even some of these, other new big YouTubers are pushing Bybit and leverage trading like crazy. So don't do it if you watch my channel, but there will be a lot of people doing it, and they are going to get set up and squeezed. And that's actually a kind of hint of what I'm coming up with my Monday video. I'm talking about the mother of all short squeezes again, the MOAS, and I see GME in a total buy zone. I'm going to explain it on Monday. But now it's time to finish this episode off with a possible airdrop, you guys. So have you heard of Xerox Palladium, I don't even know how to say that, but they are having on their website a proof of ownership type thing where you click proof of ownership and you own your Twitter profile by retweeting it. Well, there are a lot of big names in the crypto space doing it. Big names like Fiscantes. He is an alpha leader. So when he does something, I take notice. Well, he started to do it plus many others. And then the only other tweet besides them talking about their proof of ownership thing on their Twitter, Xerox Palladium, they have a tweet that says, interact with this tweet or drop your ENS name. And it says it might be beneficial for you. Beneficial how? Well, I predict it's possibly an airdrop. I mean, why would it be beneficial unless you're gonna airdrop something? So you guys, in my opinion, it's a trap. I mean, of course, the Apple news didn't come out, so Bitcoin's not gonna react. It's going to start reacting down, but things haven't changed. Bitcoin and the on-chain metrics, everything is looking extremely bullish for the rest of the year. Unless we get some crazy events, World War III breaks out, which I mean, it's a possibility. I see Bitcoin on the up and up, you guys. Well, I think that's it for me. It's a short video today. I'm not even going to make it to 10 minutes. But yeah, tune in Monday. Or actually, I don't know what I'm going to post on Monday. Because I'm actually going out into public. Once again, I did the crypto and cash video. But now I got an even better idea. And I got to thank Chico Army community members for this. So I'm going to be going up to people in public randomly. And I'm going to have a physical piece of art, a print. And I'm going to offer them to have that. And it's a special Chico made piece too, you guys. Full Metal Magdalene, the NFT artist, the person behind Crypto Salutes. Yeah, she is actually drawing a personal Chico. It's so amazing. And I'm going to offer them the print, or I'm going to offer them an Ethereum wallet with the NFT held in it. So will people pick physical art, or will they pick NFTs? I don't know. I really don't know the prediction of this, what's going to happen, because NFTs are so hyped lately, and people are going to be like, oh, I've heard of NFTs, I want my first one. But they have a chance to have a physical piece ownership of it. So tune in for that. That might be coming Monday, and then the MOAS video might be coming Tuesday. I don't know, but tune in for it all. Chico's on fire. I will see you guys next time.